ZANU PF Politburo skips Tagwirei co-option, debate amid succession tensions. The 30th of August 2025, by a correspondent, ZANU PF's Politburo meeting on Thursday did not discuss the controversial co-option of businessman KUTYA Tagwirei into the party's central committee. Despite weeks of speculation and conflicting statements from senior officials, Party Director for Information and Publicity, Farai Marapira, confirmed the matter was not on the agenda. There was no specific discussion on the issue of co-option of some party members into the Central Committee. Including his Tagwirei case, the party had other urgent matters to deal with. The chairperson presented a report on preparations for the upcoming annual conference, and everything is on track, Marapira told the Newshawks. He added that the co-option issue, which reportedly involves more than 10 members, may be addressed at the next Central Committee meeting if placed on the agenda. Confusion within the ruling party has deepened over Tagwirei's status. Party spokesperson Christopher Mutsvengwa maintains that Tagwirei has not been admitted, citing ineligibility, while Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chiwenga insists he has been co-opted and will be formally confirmed soon. The dispute has become highly contentious, as it is tied to the succession battle between President Emerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in the run-up to 2030. Mnangagwa has tasked a high-powered Presidium Committee led by Chiwenga to address the issue. Last month, the committee met with the ZANU PF Harare provincial leadership, which is lobbying for Tagwirei's co-option, a move strongly resisted by Chiwenga's camp. Despite the ongoing stalemate, CHAMISA has openly backed Tagwirei, putting him at odds with Mutsvengwa. Analysts say the businessman is battling powerful political figures to secure a central committee seat, seen by many as a springboard for bigger ambitions. Although Tagwirei denies harboring presidential aspirations, his growing influence continues to stoke tensions within the party.